Hey everybody, and welcome to Funga Alafia. In this one we will be playing some drums. So I have here my son's toolbox and a highlighter, just to show you can use whatever you have at home. And it makes a noise. This one's kind of a shaker too, although not a very nice one. So we're going to be using our drum in this song. Now the song Funga Alafia is actually from Liberia, which is a different country. And Funga Alafia is in the Yoruban language, and the Yoruba are a tribe that live out there, and in this language, Funga Alafia means you are really welcome, my friend. So this is a song that you might sing when people come to visit. It's a phrase that they use quite often when they're welcoming someone into their village. So we're going to be using this as our welcoming song, and we're also going to be playing the drums. So Funga Alafia is our two words that we're going to be saying today. And after we sing it 2 times through, I'm going to say some sentences and we're going to play the drums together. So listen for that part. I'll say it first and then you say it back. And then when you feel comfortable singing by yourself, you can just sing it with me the whole time. So we're going to start our steady beat. Funga Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funga Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funga Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funga Alafia, ashe, ashe. Now I'll say first and you say back. You are really welcome, friend. You are really welcome, friend. We'll play drums until the end. We'll play drums until the end. Very nice. Did you get that last one? It was a little bit fast. If not, you can always rewind me and listen to it again. So again, this song means you are really welcome, my friend. Now this time we're going to do the exact same thing, but we're going to do that process twice. And the last time through, I'm just going to play a steady beat. So if you're at home, you can work on playing your own rhythms, or if somebody else is there with you, the two of you can work on playing some rhythms back and forth. So I will do one way for 4 beats, then the other way for 4 beats, and that's how you'll know to switch. Cool? All right, 2 times through. First time we'll do an echo, second time it's your turn. 1, 2, here we go. Funga Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funga Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funga Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funga Alafia, ashe, ashe. You are really welcome, friend. Let's play drums until the end. Let's play drums until the end. Funga Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funga Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funga Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funga Alafia, ashe, ashe. You are really welcome, friend. Let's play drums until the end. Your turn. Ashe, ashe. Very nice job. Well done playing the drums, and I'll see you in the next song.